Good morning, friends. Today I'm going to show you how to use an extension called Screencastify to create videos like the one that you're seeing right now, where you can record what's on your screen and your voice, including a photo or video of yourself at the bottom if you wish, or you can simply record the narration. The first thing you'll need to do to use Screencastify is open a new tab and go to the Chrome Web Store. In the Chrome Store, you're going to search for Screencastify. Now, I've already downloaded Screencastify, so mine just says rate it, but you'll see the button that says add to Chrome, so you'll want to click that to add that extension. You can see that I have the Screencastify icon right up here in Chrome because I've already installed it. Once you install Screencastify, you're going to want to click on that icon. I'm doing a 2-finger tap on a Chromebook or right click on a computer so we can go to Options. The options are going to enable me to set up shortcuts so that I can press certain keys to start and stop Screencastify, and that way if I want to, say, show a slideshow that I've created and record myself doing the audio, I don't have to try and click to turn things on and off. A click will simply turn to my next slide. So I'm going to go to Configure Recording Shortcuts. And then I'm going to scroll down till I see Screencastify. I have lots of Chrome extensions. You may not have so many, but you'll be looking for Screencastify Video Screen Recorder. Now, it will start off not having any shortcuts at all. I want you to press Control and S for start, Control and F for change recording focus to current tab, Control P for pause, resume recording, and Control Z for start, stop recording. Probably Control S to start it and Control Z to stop it are all that you're going to be using, but that will give you some options. You also may want to write down those shortcuts so you're going to remember them when you get ready to use Screencastify. Now, let's say I have created a slideshow in Google Drive that I want to change into an ebook or make a video of that slideshow. So I'm going to go to my Google Drive. And I'm going to find the slideshow, of course, that I want to use. Okay, I'm going to make a video with this slideshow, Girls Think of Everything. It's taking a moment to load, obviously. Once my slideshow loads, I'm going to go into present mode. And then when I'm ready to begin my recording, I'll press Control and S to start the recording. I will be able to turn the pages or go to the next slide with my mouse or with the arrow keys as you normally would when presenting a slideshow. Once you have finished your recording, then simply press Control Z to end your recording. I hope that helps. Thanks.